Welcome back to the channel. You're probably wondering why I'm laying on the floor. Well, today we're going to do abs with no weights. So we're going to run through 4 or 5 exercises so you can get your abs washboard ready. Alright, here we go. So we're going to start out with leg lifts. We're going to do 25. Remember, your feet don't touch the ground until after the exercise is done. We're gonna do 3 sets of those, and then we'll move into another exercise. Normally 30 seconds in between each rep, each set, as always. If you're not feeling the burn by now, then you need to increase your reps. You got one more set of those to do. And don't skip ab day. Get your abs right. And don't listen to all that, if you do sit-ups and things like that, that it's going to burn belly fat. That's not true at all. I wish you could tell the body, hey, I want to burn fat right here, and make that work. Everybody would be happy, really, really happy. Here we go. All right, so we're done with leg lifts now. So now this next exercise, we're going to take our right elbow and move it to your left knee, and then vice versa on the other side. So it's going to look like this. And we're going to do 20 of those, 3 sets. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let me know if y'all like this segment. And remember, everything that I do, I make sure that it's done where people can do it at home and don't need a home gym or anything like that to accomplish these goals that you've set for yourself. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you really want to spend about 20 minutes on your ab, but because we're doing a video, I'm not going to do a full 20 minutes, but I can, if y'all like, I can suggest other exercises that you could do for your abs. There's a long list of ab workouts you can do without weights. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 3 sets. Yeah, that was 3 sets. Okay, the next one we're gonna do, I don't know, we're gonna do reach throughs first. One, 2, 3. And if this is hurting your back or your head, put something underneath your neck right here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm sorry, we're gonna do 3 sets of 10 of those. You should feel it around here. And we're going to end with heel touches so you can work your obliques. And we're going to do a high number of those though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That didn't count. We're going to go ahead and do another one of those. Here we go. Remember to push yourself. Hit it all in. That's it for me. Never give up on yourself. Always push it. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the heel touches. So you're just gonna come here and you touch. And we're gonna do 35 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Remember, you're doing this because you have a goal. Because you want to have nice abs. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 32, 33, 34, 35. And of course, you can go longer if you want to. As the videos progress, we'll get more strenuous activities for our abs. Like there's a lot of different ab videos that I'm going to do for you. we go. Oh, by the way, we're going to do 4 sets of those. Here we go. 3 down, 1 more to go. Here we go. 'Remember, these are beginner ab exercises. The more we progress, I'm going to start doing intermediate and advanced for everybody that's in whatever phase of their workout they're in. I can make sure to cover all of those. Because like right now, for beginners, your abs should be burning here and here, because we covered the entire abdominal. Excuse me. I'd like to thank y'all for joining me on this endeavor. Like, subscribe, share. Leave comments down if this was too easy. If this was too easy, let me know, and I can most definitely come up with something harder. Stay tuned to the channel for more things to come, exercises, code, and gaming.